Hi guys, this is Chris Timoney coming to you from Marquette, Michigan. And today I want to give you a little closer look at Slydog's new attack ski that they just came out with for 2018. What I really like about Slydog is that they're constantly striving to improve, and they really listen to their riders and their customers, and they take that feedback and use it to improve their products. So I'm pretty excited about these skis. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at them now. Alright, let's take a closer look at some of the features that make this new attack ski so awesome. So the first thing I'm going to point out is that they've added these raised ridges along the edge of the ski here, and you have raised ridges up here as well. And that's going to be a nice advantage for when you actually need to step on the ski to maybe get unstuck or to flip your sled over. It's going to give your boot some additional traction points so you're not sliding off and hurting yourself. When we look at the top of the ski here, you're going to notice that they added these raised cross-member braces throughout the ski. And that's going to give you a much more rigid ski, less chance of flexing and bending on you, and just make it overall a much more durable and tougher ski. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back of the ski here. You're going to notice that they've really tapered out. So you can see it's much bigger there, and then it tapers out as you get closer to the back. And that's going to be a big advantage for when you're in a side hill situation. So if you're counter steering this way, this is going to be along the face of the slope, and it's going to give you much more control and predictability in a side hill situation. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back of the ski here. So what they've done here is they've tapered up the back angle of the ski, so when you're in reverse, your ski isn't catching and binding up on you there. Let's take a look at the bottom. When we come here, we're gonna look, it's got a 1 1/4 inch deep keel. And I don't know if you can see this, but it kind of angles in. And that's really nice because as you're going through the snow then, this is going to have a nice kind of bite into the snow with this angled keel. When we come around to the front of the ski, this is a pretty cool feature here. You can see that the ski basically acts, as like an intake scoop or channel. So what's going to happen is the snow is going to come in here and it's going to go in between the keel and the side of the ski here. And basically as the snow goes down, you can see that the channel gets narrower and narrower, so that snow is going to get funneled in here and actually get compacted, and that's going to provide you some more lift, which is really nice. Another thing that I really like is when you order from Slydog, you have the option to upgrade your carbides. It comes standard with the 4-inch round bar, and I chose to upgrade to the 6-inch stud boy shaper bars. Give me a little more bite and traction. And then we have their real cool rear bogey wheels in the matching color. And what's really neat about this, guys, I don't know if you can see this, but it kind of acts like a fan blade. And what that does is as you're getting snow and ice in the back of the skid, it's going to go ahead and expel that like a fan out of your rear skid. And it's also made of a material where snow and ice aren't going to stick to that, so it's going to help keep the weight of the rear skid down for you. All right, guys, so that's the new attack ski from Slydog. They come in just a crazy amount of different color combinations and different patterns, so you can really customize it to match your sled. Pick yours up today at slydogskis.com. I want to thank those guys so much for their support. And these are going to be going on my 2019 Ski-Doo Summit X Lava Red Snow Check. I'm going to have a massive sled build video with tons of awesome products from great sponsors coming up like this. So stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram at UP_backcountry. And have fun, stay safe, and we'll see you out there.